Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade V2020, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now before we get started, we will need to grab this SIM eject tool. They come provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there, or you could also just use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you got one of those two, you want to pop out the tray, which looks to be located on the top of the device. So right over here, as you can see. Push the pin in, and the tray pops out a tiny bit, so using your fingernail, just pull it out completely, and you will have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. If you're planning to use a SIM card, or two of them, you would place one on the SD tray like this. But because I'm using one of each, I'm going to move it over and then place my SD right over here, as you can see, and from there insert it carefully back to the device. There's nothing really holding those cards in place, so they could jump out like the SD card just did. So let's just place it back on there carefully. There we go. And now it's in. Let's unlock the device. Now it did prompt me with the pin for the SIM card, so obviously the SIM card is working. I'm gonna put the pin here and just draw the pattern to unlock the device and look for the SD card, which it is also recognized here. So that is how you would insert both SIM and SD card into this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.